Namaste, all the beautiful souls. Welcome back to White Tarot reading. I hope you are all safe. And today we are going to do yes or no pick a card reading. And the topic for yes or no pick a card reading for today's pick a card is will I be spiritually awakened? Okay, so we are all spiritual beings, and most of us when we initiate our spiritual journey, we have this confusion, or this question is always there in our conscious mind. Will I be able to achieve a spiritual awakening? Will I be able to achieve a Kundalini awakening? Will my Kundalini be awakened? Will I be able to achieve my spiritual goals? Okay, so this pick a card reading will give you a clearer answer as if yes or no, because most of us experience so many things when we are meditating, or when we are traveling to pilgrimages, or when we are doing our everyday morning rituals and evening rituals. Sometimes we feel very strongly that yes, I am moving ahead in my spiritual path, and sometimes we feel that nothing new is happening, as if the spiritual journey has paused. So when we are in this kind of situation, it totally freaks us out. When we experience bliss while meditation, we think that this is what the ultimate spiritual bliss is, but next time, like we will be not able to experience that bliss again. So we experience each and every time new things when we are into meditation, and it is not necessary that what I have experienced when I'm in my meditation or in my spiritual journey, it will be like common with you. You will be experiencing something different. So for each of us, a spiritual awakening, spiritual journey and experiences while meditation is different. So instead of following people who call themselves spiritually enlightened, instead of following the superficial gurus, or instead of sharing our views on social media through Facebook, or through joining some groups, or where everybody has their own opinions and experiences to share, that will make us more confused. Let's seek help from the cards. The tarot cards are true, the tarot cards are absolute, and I know very well about my spiritual journey, and you know very well about your spiritual journey, and the tarots will just help you, give you a clearer yes or no. So let's I have been shuffling the cards while I'm talking to you, so I will put 3 piles, okay, and in each pile I'll be putting 3 cards, and for me to confirm a yes, we need to have at least 2 red cards, because I find red cards, the color red, the symbol of yes, or the symbol of success. So I think I have shuffled the cards enough. Now I call upon all my deities, the supreme force, my guardian angel, the archangels, my ancestral forces, to be around me when I'm doing this pick a card reading for the spiritual souls, for the spiritual beings, to give them a clearer insight as if will they be spiritually awakened? Will they be able to achieve a Kundalini awakening? Will they be able to move ahead in their spiritual lives, and will they be able to understand their spiritual goals? And so we are ready. So this is the pile 1, the pile 2, and the pile 3. So to attract your intuitions, I have some charms here. On the pile 1, I'm going to put Goddess Green Tara. On pile 1, Goddess White Tara. On pile 2, Goddess Green Tara. And on pile 3, Goddess Vajra Yogini. So these are the charms placed to attract your intuitions. Pause the video if needed. Take a deep breathing. Do a meditation for a couple of seconds. And whichever charm or whichever pile you're attracted is your yes or no pick a card reading. Will I be able to awaken spiritually? Will I be able to achieve a Kundalini awakening, and will I be able to understand my spiritual goals? Okay, so let's move with the first pile, that is Goddess White Tara. So let me keep the other two piles aside. So those who have chosen Goddess White Tara, the first card is a black colored card. This is the general playing cards, the temples of Nepal. Okay, so this is not counted, no scoring card because it is black in color. So we want these two cards to be red in color so that I can confirm a yes for those who have chosen pile 1, Goddess White Tara. The second card is, with the blessings of Goddess White Tara, 5 of Hearts. Wow. And the Darbar Square is here on the cards. I'll keep here up. This is the second card, this is the first card. And okay, it's fine, I'll keep it here only. This is the time to flip the third card. Fingers crossed, we want this card red. So just hoping for this card to be red colored one, and time to flip to the camera for the beautiful souls who have chosen pile 1. Oh, what a big relief. 9 of Pentacles. It's a Swayambhunath. The Swayambhunath temple is on the cards. If you can see, the Swayambhunath temple is on the cards. 9 of Pentacles, a very auspicious card, very auspicious temple with a lot of magic, because the Swayambhunath originated by himself. It's one of the forms of Lord Shiva. So this is the Kathmandu Darbar Square. This is the very beautiful place, and it has got a number of temples inside around the Darbar Square. And this is the Gumba of Mushtang, a mountain Himalayan region. Okay, this is the Gumba behind. So you have the blessings of all the deities, so I'm very happy. So for those who have chosen pile 1, for the question that will I be able to awaken spiritually, will I be able to achieve a Kundalini awakening, which the answer is yes. So that is really nice. So let's move with the pile 2, that is the Goddess Green Tara. Those who have chosen pile 2, let's move with the second pile. The first card, you need to have at least 2 cards, I said 2 cards red, 2 red colored cards. Okay, so the first card is wow, Nagarkot. Can you see? With all Himalayan range at the back. So the first card is 1 score for those the beautiful, spiritual souls who have chosen pile 2. And the second card, the time to flip the second card, and the second card is wow, Ace of Hearts. Okay, there is Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. If you could see here, the Mount Everest. The second card is the Mount Everest. So before I could flip the third card, it's a yes for those who have chosen pile 2. For yes or no, pick a card reading whether you're spiritually awakened. Will you be able to awaken your Kundalini? Will you be able to understand your spiritual goal? Okay, so, and there are both the cards have hearts in them. So the kind of intuition I'm getting from these cards is that whatever question pricks your conscious, the cards are telling me louder to convey you the message that follow your heart. Follow your heart. All your heart's intuitions will take you to the solutions of whatever you are seeking. So follow your heart, the spiritual beings, those who have chosen pile 2. And it's the time to flip the third card. My God, What a wonderful reading I'm able to do for the spiritual souls, those who have chosen pile 2. It's a Bhaktapur Darbar Square, a beautiful place in Kathmandu Valley, and there are a row of temples of deities around the Darbar Square. There are so many number of temples here. So again, it's a red card, so all the 3 cards are red. So you are strongly spiritual, and you will be able to awaken your Kundalini very soon, because the 3 cards have shown up in the color red. And please follow the instincts of your heart, and you are also blessed with the material abundance. So that is what I'm getting from the cards for the spiritual souls who have chosen pile 2. Thank you very much for picking pile 2, and please do comment in the comment section about what are your feelings, because for the spiritual beings what matters is their feelings. So now it's time to move ahead with the 3rd pile, those who have chosen goddess Vajrayogini. So let's see what the cards have stored up, yes or a no, for the question whether you'll be able to awaken spiritually, whether you will be able to achieve a Kundalini awakening, and whether you will be able to understand your spiritual goals, whether you will be able to tap into the energies of the universe and higher dimensions. So for those who have chosen the 3rd pile, the Vajrayogini, goddess Vajrayogini, the first card coming up is 6 of Cups. Wow, the first scoring, the first red card. It's a Patan Darbar Square. This Darbar Square is in Kathmandu, and it has a row of temples, and the major attraction of this Darbar Square is the Krishna Mandir. So you have the blessings of the Supreme Lord himself, God, Lord Krishna. So it's a yes. The first score has bought you for a scoring of 1. Now let's flip the second card. It's a time to flip the second card. Wow, one more. Yes, one more red colored card. I'm so happy, and it's a Feva Lake, and it's in Pokhara. This Feva Lake is in Pokhara. At the back side, you're seeing the Annapurna range, Himalayan range. The range is called the Annapurna range, and in the Feva Lake there is a temple of Barahi, deity Barahi in the middle of the lake. Barahi is the Varaha avatar, or the Varaha avatar of Demeter, and Lord Vishnu is the protector. So you have the blessings of both the creator and the protector. So before I flip the 3rd card, for those who have chosen pile 3, the answer is yes, because we already got 2 red cards. Now it is time to flip the last card, and I wish this card also turns out to be red one. That will make me really very happy, and I hope those who have chosen pile 3, that will bring a lot of bliss into your life also. Oh, it's fine. The 3rd card is the 3 of Swords, and Pokhara is shown here with the traditional swing made of bamboos. Okay, so 3 of Swords, so air energy. So it's okay, no problem. You have got 1 black card. That means there are some there is some healing needed for you to move smoothly ahead, but you will be able to achieve your spiritual awakening and your Kundalini awakening. There will be some little clarity. You need to be more clear, so you know what are your weaknesses. Maybe you're not doing your spiritual practices properly, or maybe you are under influence of some superficial gurus or some superficial groups which share some confuses, and so whatever the circumstances is, don't let your belief to shake. Okay, so be strong and be affirmed about your spiritual spiritual life moving ahead. So there is no turning back. You have to move ahead. You will definitely achieve your spiritual awakening, and you will definitely achieve your Kundalini awakening also. And you are a very much a spiritual being. Okay, so you have already initiated your spiritual path, and you will soon understand your spiritual goals. So that is what I have got for the beautiful souls, those who have chosen pile 3. So before I could end today's yes or no pick a card reading, I want to tell my opinion about the spiritual enlightenment. You know, enlightenment is a very big word. It's a very huge word. Even we are not even eligible to speak out such words. You know, people discuss these things so very freely, so very carelessly. You know, enlightenment is possible only with the supreme, with the blessings of supreme. No guru, no superficial guru will be able to make you enlightened. The enlightened beings are very few in this world. The avatars of the God, the reincarnation of the Supreme Lord are the enlightened beings. Rest, those who claim that I am enlightened spiritually, it's a false notion. They are not true, and you should not get misleaded or misfed by this information. Whatever spiritual doubts or whatever spiritual questions or queries which comes up in your mind, you should be able to resolve it by following the instincts of your heart. It's fine, you can follow everyone, you can hear everyone, you can take everyone's opinion, but don't get influenced by anybody. The final decision should be from your own mind, because after all, it's your spiritual journey. So with this, we come to an end for today's yes or no pick a card reading, and I'm very happy for all the spiritual beings who have tuned into my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos, subscribing my videos, sharing my videos. Please do subscribe and shower your love. Lots of blessings from Goddess White Tara. Till this pandemic is over, let's stay home, stay safe, apply all the safety precautions, wash our hands properly, and maintain social distancing. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.